You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. In Spanish, it's pronounced Gil. In Portuguese, Gil. In English, however, the pronunciation is usually as Gil. Gil with a hard G. Do you pronounce it any other way, as Gil? Let us know in the comments in which context. Where are you from too? Let us know. In English, the pronunciation generally Gil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.